deal about NCERT exercise physics chapter number first one chapter the physics, which is motion. In motion chapter we are going to deal the only the last back end exercise numerical part only. The first question is a numerical. So the first question is, an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meters in how many seconds? 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? So what you will write? So you need to find the distance and displacement after at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. Some time is given. After that time, in that time, certain distance will be traveled by the body. Because it is a circular path, it will the path traced by the body is a circular one. See, for example, the body starting here means you will draw a circle. This is A point. From A, it is taking the circular path. Okay. So we don't know where it is initially. So what it is given, an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meters in 40 seconds. So diameter is equal to, first you have to write like this, diameter equal to 200 meters. What is the time taken for one round? So one distance in one round. So one round, na? So one round is distance in one round. It is 2 pi r. Why? Because it is the perimeter in one round. Perimeter. So what is 2 pi r? You can write it pi into 2r. You can write it as pi d, right? Right, no? Pi d. So what is the diameter already given? 200 meter. So what you will take pi? 22 by 7 or leave it like that, whatever it is, option is here. 200 pi meters is the distance of one round. Okay, next what is time taken? Time taken for one round. From he starting from A and coming back to A. For one round, how much time he is taking? 40 seconds. So what is the what is his speed? What is his speed? Speed. What is his speed? Means speed is the distance travelled per unit time taken. What is the distance travelled by him? 200 pi. What is the time taken for him? 40 seconds. Meter per second. Meter and second. Okay. So 5 pi meter per second is the speed. 5 pi meter per second is the speed. So now the question it is asked. What is in the question it is asked? What will be the distance covered and a displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? The first bit is, what is the distance travelled? Distance travelled. Time is given. How much? 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds. So how many seconds? 2 into 60 plus 20. 140 seconds. So what is the formula? Speed equal to distance by time. Now you have distance equal to speed into time. So what is the speed? 5 pi. This time distance 140. 140 into 5. How much? 14 fives? Or you can leave it like this. Now you will do expansion. 5 into 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7 into 140. 7 ones are 7 to 20. So 22 into 5, how much? 110. 110 into 220. 110 twos 220. So you will put on 0. So it is equal to 220 meters. This is the distance travelled by the body in the circular path in 2 minutes 20 seconds. Clear? So the distance travelled in one round equal to 200 pi meter distance. The distance traveled in 2 minutes 20 seconds is 2200 meters. Now what it is asked? Now after 2 minutes 20 seconds, the distance traveled is 2200 meters. Or you can take 5 pi into 140 meters. Now what is asked? Displacement. For displacement, what you need in circular? Number of rounds. Why? Because one round is equal to zero displacement. So number of rounds that we will remove. Okay. So number of rounds in 2 minutes 20 seconds. How many rounds? Distance in time by distance of one round. Distance in given time by distance in one round is the number of rounds. So what is the distance in one time? 2200. You can write 140 into 5 pi also. Why? Because for simplicity of cancellation. Distance of one round is 200 pi. Pi cancel. 0 0 cancel. 14 sevens are, this 10s are. 5 1s are, 5 2s are. 7 by 2 rounds. So 3.5 rounds. So 3.5 round means on the plotting you will plot it as this is the point B. Clear? It is starting from A, taking 3 rounds around A, and then again finally coming and stopping at B. Now what is the displacement means what? It is the shortest distance between 2 points, initial point and the final point. So displacement is equal to final point minus initial. So final minus initial what? B minus A. Distance of B minus A. So what is the distance of my B minus A? Diameter. Shortest distance is diameter. So diameter is equal to, that is the displacement. Okay. Simple problem. Simple one. Okay, Joseph is jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight line 300 meters rod in 2 minutes 30 seconds. 2.5 minutes में jogging कर रहा है. And then turns around and jogs 100 meters back to point C in another 1 minute. What are the Joseph's average speeds and velocities in jogging from A to B, A to C? So what it is told there? There is a point named A. From A he is going to B, and from B is coming back to C. So now what this Joseph is jogging from A to B, the distance is 300 meters. The total distance is from A to B, the total distance is, or you can take in blue. So this is 300 meters, and he went from A to B jogging, and from B again came back to C, which is 100 meters behind. Another 1 minute. He took 1 minute to come back. He took 2 minutes 30 seconds to go that side, and 1 minute to come back. What is the average speeds and velocities of conditions? Two conditions are given: A from A to C, A to B, and from B A to C. The one's whole journey. This is whole journey. This is only part journey. We already did that trains exercise, na? Example. You might have understood from that. The train example, Yeshwantpur Howrah train, we did this research on that, and we got all the average velocities and speeds. Exactly similar to that only this problem will go. Clear? So the solution is, now take condition. Now you are taking first A bit from A to B. The time taken is 2 minutes 30 seconds, so it is 150 seconds. The distance is x is 300 meters. So what is its average speed? So its average speed equal to average velocity. Why average velocity and average speed are same? Because straight line. So you can write the reason here. As the motion is in straight line, average velocity equal to average speed. Because distance equal to displacement. So average speed equal to average velocity, which is equal to x by t, distance by time. What is the distance traveled? 300 meters. Time taken 150 seconds. So its average is 2 meter per second. Okay. So A to B is over. Now from we will take the total journey A to C. Now here you need to use the average velocity formula and average speed formula separately చేయాలండి. దేనికి దానికి separate గా చేయాలి. Average speed formula separate, average velocity formula separate. We need to do. So now what we need for average speed, we need to get the speeds in individual intervals. So A to C consists of A to B and B to C. So from A to B, we know the average, the speed 1 equal to 2 meter per second. You don't know this speed. B to C you don't know. So for B to C also you do it. Speed 2 equal to x by t, distance 100 meters per. What is the time taken? For that it is taking 1 minute. Time taken for t2 equal to 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. 0 0 is 5 by 3 meter per second. 2 meter per second, 5 by 3 meters per second. That speed is low, less than the speed 1. So now what is the average speed? V average equal to, all the formula I told, sigma xi by sigma ti. So in the place of ti you can write it as xi by vi. Already I told, no? xi by vi. Right. So sum of this distance is how much? 300 meter in the first round plus 100 meter in the second round divided by individual. 300 divided by vi2 plus next 100 meter distance divided by 5 by 3. Or you can write sigma ti also. That's also no problem. But I am doing longer method. Why? To help you out in the average velocity. You're getting? So what is it to 400 divided by, this is I know 150, this will come 150 and this will come 3, 5, 20, 23 से 60. 60 है. देखो time. So time interval you saw there 150 seconds. Here the time interval you saw here 60 seconds. So 150 plus 60, 400 by 150 plus 60, 210. 0 0 cancel. 40 by 21. How much 40 by 21? 21 ones to 21. Karo, I want that value. This only you are writing, no? Give me the value of that answer. 19 बचा 190, 21 21 190 means 210, 90 minus 21 minus 189, 190. So you will put 9. You can put 9. So 110, 10 is 10 is left. We'll put 0. 100 you will get. 21 4s are 84. 16 left. Okay, 160. Are getting what I am calculating? I'll take a session on Vedic mathematics, Shakuntala Devi mathematics. That will help you very much. Vedic maths. 1.904. 3 digits enough. Not required more than that. We have to develop according to what is required. Our software culture especially says that what is your requirement, that should be processed in time exactly as fast as possible. Remaining zarurat nahi. So 1.904 is the answer. Meter per second. Units must. Okay, next. Average velocity. What is average velocity? V1 plus V2 by 2. What is a V1? 2. What is V2? 5 by 3 divided by 2. So you'll get 6 as LCM. 3 to 6, 6 plus 5, 11 by 6 into 2. Clear? So 11 by 12 meter per second. What is the answer? 11 by 12. 1/12 कितना है? 1/12 कितना है? I told ना, 1 is 100%, 1 by 2 50, 1 by 3 33, 1 by 3 1/4 25, 1/5 20, 1/6 16, 2 by 3. I told all 1 by 7 14, 2 by 7. Okay, 1/8 how much? 12.5 percentage. 1/8 1 by 9 11, 1 by 9 1/10 10 1/11 1/11 how much? 9 1 by 11. Okay, 1 by 12th 8.75. Remember 8.75. So you are subtracting from 100 8.75. How much? Remember how much is remaining? 90 91.25. So it is less than 1. So 0.9125. See how much you are giving 4-digit answer. Fast. This is the specialty of mathematics. 4-digit I gave by mind calculation. That is answer. See back answer देखो. Same 1 point. Wait. There is a mistake we did it. What mistake you did it we know. This speed is in negative direction. So we did in mistake here. This is in negative direction. So 2 minus 5 by 3. తప్పు చేసామండి కరెక్ట్ తప్పు చేసాం I didn't saw plus only I kept. Sorry, this is my mistake. So this is 2 minus 5 by 3 by 2. Then how we will get 6 minus 1 by 3 by 2 1 by 6. Just wait, don't write. Wait, just wait. So what is 1 by 6? Where minus will come? No, that is correct. That answer correct? Huh? Why this answer why came in wrong? 160 16 2 by 3.
Average speed 1.90 meters per second.
Ante 1.90.
Velocity 0.952.
Average velocity formula is v1 plus v2 by 2 only. Okay, there is no change in that formula. So what is happening? When v1 is positive 2, v2 is negative minus 5 by 3. 5 by 3 only? Okay, 5 by 3 only. 100 by 100 meters per 60 seconds. So minus 5 by 3 meter per second. 2 minus 5 by 3 is how much? 1 by 3. This is our 1 2 by 3 only, na? 1 2 by 3 means 1 by 3 is left. 1 by 3 by 2, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is 16 2 by 3 meter per second. Percentage means you will get 16 2 by 3 means 16.667. 16 2 by 3 means 16 2 by 3 means 16.667 percentage. So you will get this as 0.1667 meter per second. This should be the answer. Bring some that notebook, no, tab. We'll search in it.
ఎందుకు అమ్మా ఫోన్ తెచ్చావా
We'll see. I feel this is correct.
ఏదో ఒకటి తీసుకురా
ఇదే correct అండి. ఇదే correct. This is correct.